What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I'm trying something new. I'm just going to leave my drawings on the chart so you guys can see how the price action develops throughout the week around the drawings. So I'm going to leave the drawings on here for now. And also I'm going to start doing more Tesla. I'm going to do it Mondays and Thursdays now because it's a fan favorite. I'm going to put out the content that most people, like a strong majority of you guys want to see. And Tesla easily is my top 3 performing video on my channel. So definitely more Tesla coming more out. So let's take a look at the chart for Tesla. Since last week, Monday, price went up a little bit higher and then had a big crash down. It was overextended. And now we're finding a little bit of some support right over here, or like a bounce up. So where does it look like Tesla is going? So I drew this channel right here. I used the 2 bottom swings. I dragged it up, and it looks like it's fitting okay. I mean, we do have an overshoot already. I don't really see a good fitting channel for Tesla, and we already had a measure move up. So this large arrow represents the leg up, and we're practically trading near it. So you can see that price found resistance at the measure move, sold off. Bounced from the 240 level, went up, broke out of the measure move target, pulled back, found support, tried to go up higher, and then we saw the big crash down. So it already looks like we're taking back some of the drop, but the ideal location that I want to see Tesla is back over here on the support side of the channel. This would be ideal area for traders to enter long with the trend, because after 2 legs up, we expect a decent sized pullback, and also we broke outside of this 211 level. This breakout level, and we haven't come back to test it. So it would be nice to see a couple attempts down to test it. So this would be the ideal location where I circled. But again, the market doesn't always do textbook things. So you have to just go with what it's trying to do. So if it stays around here, then what can occur is we come back up to fill in the gap right here. It would be very aggressive. I would be looking for a confirmation that we're going to do that. So I would want to see 2 attempts down that fails for price to go higher, maybe something like that. That would be pretty good. But I would be still expecting the best situation for price to continue dropping. So we had 1 leg down. If price pulls back, I want to be seeing another drop down and then take it closer to the 211 level and the supports of this channel. So that would be ideal. So the ideal situation is for price to continue to drop down lower and correct for an opportunity to go up higher. Because right now it's kind of an iffy area. I would say the market's it's slightly neutral, more in the bearish territory because we're overextended. So I'm looking for a price to drop lower. But right now I would classify this as neutral, meaning I don't really see a clear direction that the market wants to go. I mean, it should be dropping lower, but it's kind of struggling to. So I would mark it as neutral. So Tesla, I'm waiting for a price to continue to correct down lower. And we'll see if that occurs. If not, then we got to look for something else that is trying to do. Maybe it's just trying to continue going up higher at this aggressive rate. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. So that was everything on the daily chart. Here's the weekly chart. I marked the all-time highs at the 412 level, 414 level, because that's the potential next target, because it looks like this downtrend correction has played out. You can see there was a downtrend right here. Price broke the downtrend, made 2 legs down, which is textbook reversal things. And we had 2 large legs down also right about here. So I'm going to erase that. So 2 large legs down. We got back above this key level, which was like the $200 level, the low 200s. It was previously strong support. Then it started acting as resistance. Now we broke above it. So I'm looking for a price to come back to retest it. The only problem is that this move up is unsustainable and it's not healthy. So we can probably see a break of this move up really shortly. Very similar to the circle I had right here in February or January of 2021, this circle right here on the left side of the chart. Very similar to what we're getting right now. We're overextended and we're kind of just consolidating at this level, and we're practically at the same level too, at this high 200s. So we even saw price pull back right to the low 200s a couple of times before going up higher. So that's what is ideal for the price to do, but we'll see if it does that or not. I mean, a lot of times, sometimes it doesn't always do what you expect, but that's the expectation. We'll see if it continues to pull back. If not, then either way, I don't see any type of setup or entry over here. It'd be way too aggressive. The ideal area would be right over here. So we'll see if price can continue to pull back. So I'm expecting a pullback. We'll see if it occurs. If not, then we have to look at maybe some other channel that Tesla is respecting. But as right now, this is fitting pretty good against the price action. And that's all I have for Tesla this week, Monday. And I'll give you guys an update this Thursday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.